Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You will need to press the power and volume down at the same time to turn off the phone. After the phone gets turned off, you'll have to wait a couple seconds. Press and hold the power button and the volume up at the same time until you see the recovery menu. Once you are here, you have to press the volume down 3 times to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then you press on the power button to select it. Press on the volume down to highlight with the power button to select, and it will take a couple seconds to reset the whole phone.